professor at the University of South Alabama Marine Sciences, and been doing the rodeo for over 30 years. You know, this rodeo has evolved to be a source of an immense amount of science. Practically every major museum in Europe and North America has sent scientists down here to get specimens, skeletons, things like that. This year, in the last couple of years, we've been focusing on spotted sea trout, red drum, pompano, and what we're doing is removing the little ear bones that are called otoliths, and they have rings on them just like the rings of a tree, and it lets us know how old they are. And that's really important when you're managing a stock, because you need a certain amount of each age class, and if you get out of kilter on that, the stocks get in trouble. So that's one of the main things we're doing this year. We're also doing some shark work, and we're doing some king mackerel work. Yeah, the mackerels, we're also taking ear bones, but instead of focusing on the age, we're trying to determine whether the ear bones will tell us where those mackerel came from, because those ear bones have a chemical constituency that reflects different times in their life where they were, on South Florida, the Caribbean, the Western Gulf. So we're trying to find out where our king mackerel are coming from. Started in 1982, but it really picked up steam in the late 1980s when the American Museum of Natural History started sending teams of scientists down here. And then the British Museum started sending people. In fact, last year, the director of fisheries from the London Museum of Natural History came over for his second year. So it's been going on for a long time, and every year the focus changes a little bit depending on the interest of the scientists that are visiting. The fishery stocks in the Gulf are really in great shape. A couple of stocks are in a little trouble, but almost all of them have improved in recent years. And certainly the stocks that are managed by the states in nearshore water are in great shape. Our speckled trout populations are strong. Our red drum stocks are strong. The offshore species are all recovered. King mackerel is stronger than it's ever been. Red snapper the same way, although that's a controversial species. All the indications are that it's very strong as well.